Hey guys, it's me, Emily, and volume down. There. Turn it down a little bit more, maybe, because really, yes, my channel is Emily the Miraculous Fan Plus More. Yes, my YouTube channel is Emily the Miraculous Fan Plus More. Nope. I'm letting people, so anyway, what I'm going to be doing, I'm letting people decorate my house, and now I gotta get up, so maybe I'll use this. I'm also leveling up, well, I'm not letting everyone, but I'm letting Zumba Diana decorate my house. So, I'm also leveling up my cats. This is how to level up your cats and make them neon. So, you get on 2 accounts, as you can see right here. Right here. Okay, look, I'll tell you the username right here. That's how you get on 2 accounts, basically, and do this. You can do them at the same time, so you can make them neon. Oh, yay! Next cat. Oh. Wait, no. I think we have to give her one of the cats. Or me. Same both of them now. There. We'll give my other cat back later. Emily, I will leave the game and edit my YouTube video. Then join you again. Okay. She's making a video too. Okay, so as you can see, we're leveling up our cats. So yeah, I got a new iPad. So yeah, there's my friend over there, and there's Layla, aka Emily, maybe. So yeah, so as you can see, we're just gonna be leveling up these cats today. Also, guys, follow me on TikTok, Betty Hall 85. If I said it wrong, then I'll put it in the comments description still. My channel is Emily the Miraculous Fan Plus More. My channel is Emily the Miraculous Fan Plus More. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. So, guys, we are, yes, it's Emily the Miraculous. My group is Emily the Miraculous Fan Plus More Fan Group. It's like this though. Yes, it's Emily the Miraculous Fan Plus More Fan Group. yeah. So, okay. I'm leveling up my pet. So after we get this one to full grown, maybe we'll start the video. Okay. Also, guys, as I said earlier, follow me on TikTok and subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, pretty much it. Also, follow me or add me on Roblox if you want. It is Rapunzel0604. So yeah, just oh well, I thought you had space on the pet XD. LOL, yeah. LOL. Talk about her pet because yeah. I'm gonna name this one again. Let's see. Yeah, you should. Yeah, you should. But my eyes too much pink. Just kidding. Exit. Sorry. Wow, rude. Sorry, didn't mean to. I'm filming a video. I'm filming a vid. It was fun. That was so funny. That was so funny. Okay, we might have to end the video here. Bye, guys.